Hello children, how are you all? Welcome to online edu classes. Today we are going to learn chapter number 2, Fractions and Decimals, part 5. Children, today we are going to learn multiplication of fractions. See, in this picture, a mother is giving 1/4 pizza to each of her 3 children, and then she's asking us how much pizza do they get in all. Yes, children, how to find out how much pizza they get in all? Yes, it is very simple. We simply have to add and find the total. Let us see. 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4. So we get here 3/4. That means all the 3 children are getting 3/4 of a pizza. But children, we have learned that multiplication is nothing but repeated addition. What is it, children? That multiplication is nothing but repeated addition. So we can write, or we can simply multiply 1/4 by 3. So how to multiply? 1/4 is a fraction and 3 is a whole number. Children, we can write 3 as a fraction just by writing 1 as the denominator. That means we have to multiply 1/4 into 3/1. And how to multiply? We simply have to multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. So we get here 1 into 3 by 4 into 1. So that is equal to 3/4. Now, did you all understand, children? So, how much do they get in all? They get 3/4 of a pizza. How did you get this answer? We simply have to multiply 1/4 by 3. Understood, children? Children, let us take another example, that is multiplying a fraction by a whole number. So, let us multiply 2/7 into 3, where 2/7 is a fraction and 3 is a whole number. So we can write it as 2/7 into 3/1. Why, children? Because 3 is a whole number, and if we have to write it as a fraction, we simply have to put 1 in the denominator. Understood, children? So now, how to multiply them? We simply have to multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. So what are the numerators here? It is 2 into 3. And what are the denominators? Denominators are 7 into 1. So the product of 2 and 3 is 6. The product of 7 and 1 is 7. So when we multiply the fraction 2/7 by the whole number 3, we get the product as 6/7. Understood, children? Now let us take another example, and here we can find out the product by diagrammatic way. So here you can see one whole is divided into 4 equal parts and one part is shaded. So the fraction of the part shaded is 1/4. The second whole is again divided into 4 equal parts and one part is shaded. So the shaded part is given by 1/4. And when we add these two fractions, we get 2/4. That means the whole from the whole, two parts are shaded. The same thing, we can simply write it as a product, that is 2 into 1/4. So 2 into 1/4 is equal to 2/4. Children, we know that multiplication is nothing but repeated addition. Understood, children? So I can simply write it as 2 into 1/4 is equal to 2/4. Is it clear to you all, children? Children, a common error when multiplying a fraction by a whole number. Children, when we multiply both numerator and denominator by the whole number, it is wrong. We simply have to multiply the numerator by the whole number like this. That is 3/4 into 5/1. Children, even if you don't write this one, it is alright. But it helps if you write this whole number as a fraction, that is 5/1. So it will be easy for you all that you have to multiply only the numerators and multiply the denominators. So 3 into 5 is equal to 15, 4 into 1 is equal to 4, and 15 by 4 is a improper fraction. So we have to divide 15 by 4. So we get 3 by 4. Understood, children? So please, children, do not commit this mistake, that is multiplying the numerator and denominator by the whole number. We only have to multiply the numerator by the whole number. Is it clear? Children, now we are going to learn how to multiply a fraction by a fraction. So let us understand by this example. Children, can you all tell me what is half of half a pizza? Yes, it is a quarter pizza. It is a quarter pizza. Now children, half of. Half means you know it is multiplication. So 1 by 2 is a fraction. Of is multiplication again. And this half pizza, can I write it as 1 by 2? Yes. So 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. Then how to multiply these two fractions? Simply we have to multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. So 1 into 1 is equal to 1 and 2 into 2 is equal to 4. So did you all understand, children, how to multiply fraction by a fraction? Children, now we'll learn the rule how to multiply a fraction by a fraction. So we have two fractions, that is a by b and c by d. So how to multiply these two fractions? Children, we simply have to multiply the numerators and simply multiply the denominators. So what is the product of numerators? It is a into c. And what is the product of the denominators? It is b into d. That means when we multiply a fraction by a fraction, simply have to multiply the numerators and simply multiply the denominators. Understood, children? Let us take an example to see this. So here we have two fractions, that is 3 by 4 and 1 by 2. So when we multiply 3 by 4 and 1 by 2, this is our first step. In the second step, we have to multiply the numerators. So it is 3 into. And what are the denominators here? 4 and 2. So we have to multiply the denominators 4 into. And now the third step. So multiply 3 into 1 is equal to 3, 4 into 2 is equal to 8. So the product is given by 3 by 8. Now children, 3 by 8 is a proper fraction, so we don't have to simplify it more. But if the product is a proper fraction, we can just keep it like that, or we can convert it into a mixed fraction. Understood, children? Children, let us understand how to multiply fractions using diagrams. Now listen here. There are two fractions, that is 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. So 2 by 3 means 2 parts out of 3 equal parts are shaded. 3 by 4 means 3 parts out of 4 equal parts are shaded. Now children, we have to combine these two figures here. We have to combine these two figures. Now, when we combine these two figures, we will get 12 equal parts. We get 12 equal parts. Understood? And then we have to count the number of boxes which have both the colors. We have to count the number of boxes which are having both the colors. How many boxes are there? There are 6 boxes having both the colors. Now children, that means that is 6 boxes out of these 12 equal parts. It is the product of these two fractions. Now, how can we get it? Just by multiplying these two fractions. So, we have to multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. So, 2 into 3 is equal to 6. 3 into 4 is equal to 12. So, this is the way we have to find out the product of two fractions. Children, let us learn now how to multiply a mixed fraction by a whole number. For that, let us take an example. So to multiply a mixed number by a whole number, change the mixed number to an improper fraction and put the whole number over 1. Then multiply and then change your answer to a mixed number. For example, let us take the mixed fraction as 2 3 by 4 and the whole number as 3, and we have to find the product for these two. Now first thing, we have to convert this mixed fraction as an improper fraction. So how to convert it? Let us see. 4 2s are is equal to 8. 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. 11 by 4 is the improper fraction for 2 3 by 4. And 3 is the whole number. And how to write this 3 as a fraction? Simply we'll put 1 as the denominator. So 3 by 1 is a fraction now. Now how to multiply these two fractions? Multiply the numerators by the denominators. So 11 3s are is 33, 4 1s are is equal to 4. Understood children? But 33 by 4 is a improper fraction. So we have to convert it into a mixed fraction. So how to convert it? Simply divide 33 by 4. We will get 8 1 by 4. Understood children? This we can easily see from the diagram. See here, this mixed fraction is having two wholes here. So 2 is multiplied by 3. So we are having 6 wholes here. Now 3 by 4 is again multiplied, or the fractional part is multiplied by 3, and we are getting again 2 wholes and 1/4 part. So altogether, how many equal parts or how many parts which are shaded here? So there are 33 parts which are shaded out of 36 parts. Out of 36 parts, 33 parts out of 36 parts are shaded. Understood children? So here 33 by 4, since each whole is divided into 4 equal parts. Now how to show this as a mixed fraction? So you can easily see that there are 8 wholes here. 1 3 4 5 6 7 8, and the last part is 1/4 part is the fractional part. So 8 wholes and 1/4 part is the fractional part. Children, now we'll learn how to multiply a mixed fraction by a mixed fraction. So here we are having 1 3 by 4 into 1 by 2. So both are mixed fractions. First we have to convert these mixed fractions into improper fractions. How to convert them? 4 1s are 4. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7 by 4. It's the improper fraction for 1 3 by 4. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 5. 5 by 2 is the improper fraction for 1 by 2. Understood children? Now simply we have to multiply these two improper fractions. Then how to multiply? We have to multiply the numerators or find the product of the numerators and find the product of the denominators. So 7 5s are is equal to 5 and 4 2s are is equal to 8. Now when we divide 35 by 8, we get 4 3 by 8. We get 4 3 by 8. Is it clear children? A small task for your children. Circle the product which represents the model. So I am going to show you all one picture here. You have to circle the product which represents the model. Now see here children. I'll just give you an example. 1 by 5 into 2. 1 by 2, 5. Which does it represent? Or which fraction or which product represents this model? So 1 by 5 into 2 is equal to 2 by 5. So this is the correct answer. But 1 by 2 into 5 is equal to 5 by 2. But how many parts are shaded here children? Parts are shaded out of 5 equal. So 1 by 5 is the correct answer. Is it clear? In the same way the others.
Thank you, children. Have a nice time.